My name is Mike Becca. I'm from Portsmouth College, a very tiny college in northern New York. I am not an uber geek like most of you guys. This is not an uber geek talk. I found something that was easy to do, and we got a need for it. If you have something that has a similar need, I figured I'd show it to you. The topic of my talk is installing Flamenco, using Flamenco for faceted search routing. Kind of like Solar, but I thought it was easier. I don't know. I'm not a geek though, so everything's easy to you guys, it seems. So anyway, Flamenco is written by UC Berkeley. This is their website. If you do a search for Flamenco on Google, you'll get answers. So Flamenco Berkeley will get you there though. It's pretty easy to do. The way that it works is you put your data into text files like these, which I ripped out of an Access database like this. And our collection was going to be composed of capstones written by students as a final culminating project. This project was taken on by our library technicians. They wanted to find a way to organize it and use this. So I made this Access database that has like the title and the author and that kind of junk. And then I wrote a script to put the files into Flamenco format. They're basically tab-separated values, and each object has an attribute, like title, author, or mentor, and if you want to facet it, there's a facets file, subject, concentration, division, etc. The attributes, without the facets, go into an items tab file with an item number, unique value, the title, and then author, and then whatever things you put in the attributes file. You tab separate them, and facets get their own set of files. Like, for example, subject terms and subject map. Subject terms are all the terms that you want your facets to have with a unique ID, and the subject map maps your object ID with the subject ID so that it knows which objects have which subject. And when you rip all this data into Flamenco, it turns into something like that out of the box, which it runs on MySQL and Fedora. I couldn't get it to work on Ubuntu, I don't know. So Fedora right out of the box with MySQL, and this does what you want to do. It also, when you scroll over it, has subcategories. It supports subcategories of facets. So if I click on, I don't know, people like this one before, beverages and beer, because this is what people write about at my college. For their culminating, project that says, I want to graduate from this college, here's proof of that. Let me write, beer me. So, small collection, it can run on Lucene. There's a simple command for it. Really easy to do. So if you have a small collection, you want to throw something up there, this is an easy way to do that. And public libraries, I don't have somebody with expertise or something. Not hard to do. Anyway, that's my talk. Questions? Yeah? Cool stuff.